Want to know how to add a breakpoint in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Cursor AI application on. So we have also created a video on how you can install and log into Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So once you've done all of that, you should be provided this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, on the top you should be seeing various navigations bar you can choose from. So right here you should also be seeing run. That should be right beside go, just like that. So now once you've selected run, you should be provided with various options right here. And here you should be seeing new breakpoint right below toggle breakpoint. So on a new breakpoint, you can just simply select any one of these: conditional, edit, inline, functional, and much more. So you can just simply select any one of these and your breakpoint should activate. So make sure you have any file open before this as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.